The flat material storage system custom designed for our overseas client has been successfully put into operation and has received positive feedback. The client is not only highly satisfied with the equipment's stability and efficiency, but also specifically recorded an on-site usage video and shared it with us. In the footage, the material storage system operates smoothly, fully demonstrating its reliable performance in a real production environment. The successful delivery and operation of this project not only showcases our professional expertise in technical solutions and process adaptation, but also reflects the comprehensive service capabilities of our team, spanning from design and production to international after-sales support.